Hello YouTube! Today we're changing a cabin filter for a Volkswagen Jetta 2010 2.5 liter, and this filter is located on the passenger side just under the glove box compartment. You're going to need a large flathead screwdriver to remove these two plastic screws here that's holding up this piece of carpet. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this. Okay, so here's the cover that's holding the filter in place. You're going to need to slide that to the right, and it should drop out of place easily. It's a little tight taking it out. It's also awkward holding the camera with one hand and removing it with the other hand. So once this is out, just make a note that the notch is to the right hand side when you're putting in a new filter. Here I'm using a CF10373 from FRAM. It's a little tight going in. So once it's in, make a note of your cover. There's an arrow that should be pointing to the right. Just flip the cover the other way around, and once you slip it up, just slide it to the left. And that's it. You can go ahead and put the carpet back on, and you are done. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.